This is also a cell-rich type of connective tissue, the brown fat. If we look at the brown fat tissue, then we will see always a few white fat cells also. These seem like empty rings. They are truly empty rings because during the histological procedure the fat was dissolved from these cells. If we look at the other cells, they are a little bit smaller. So their size is, let's say, 40 to 80 micrometers, and you see a lot of bubbles inside these cells because these are multilocular fat cells. The white fat cells, they are unilocular fat cells. They contain one large fat droplet, and this one large fat droplet, it pushes the nucleus to the side of the cell. And the brown fat cells, they are multilocular fat cells, and they contain a lot of small fat bubbles. Between the fat bubbles, we have also a little cytoplasm that contains a lot of mitochondria. The nucleus is either in the middle or it's pushed to the side, and or like here for example, or we don't see the nucleus because it's not in the plane of the cut. The mitochondria, they have a special function here. They don't produce ATP, but they produce heat. So this is a fat tissue, the brown fat, which can produce heat. This is the so-called non-shivering thermogenesis. Non-shivering thermogenesis is important to keep the body temperature, so it's most important with newborns and small children. They have a little bit more proportionally of the brown fat tissue, but adults have it also in the interscapular region in the middle of the back, in the mediastinum, that's the posterior region of the chest cavity, and also in the capsule, fatty capsule of the kidney. You might find also in adults brown fat tissue.